day's all over, she'll welcome him back home again. Though she don't understand him, Lord, she does the best that she can. This good-hearted woman in love with a good-timing man. She's a good-hearted woman in love with a good-timing man. And she loves him in spite of his ways that she don't understand. And through teardrops and laughter, they're gonna pass through this world hand in hand, Lord. This good-hearted woman in love with a good time.